Happy Friday everyone. I just wanted to do a very short, quick update video on the DIGIduino Kickstarter project. So as a lot of you are aware, this has been running for the majority of March, well all of March, plus a little bit of February. We've got 10 days left. That's 10 full days left of the campaign. It's ending on the 31st of March at, I think I've done about 5 PM GMT. We're well funded. We're running at about 470%, which is fantastic. I'd love to see it get to the 500% mark before we close, but that doesn't matter. It's just ego. I've made a couple of changes this week. The first one being I've added the fully clear transparent case as an add-on. So you're able to go and spec this with your kit or with your PCB. I've been posting a couple of these on my Instagram and on YouTube, and I've had some really good response for this. So I've made it available. Add it to your kit and see what you think. I know a lot of you are going to really like them. The other thing I've added is multiples. This is my first time doing a Kickstarter, so I wasn't really sure how this worked, but somebody pointed out to me if they want to buy more than one kit, they had to pay for postage twice. Therefore, I've added multiples, so if you order one or two, if you order more than one PCB or kit, you'll save on the shipping, and I've also included a little bit of discount when you buy multiples. This has proven to be a very popular option. I can see quite a few of you have gone back and added the multiples, or you've added the transparent case, so it's been very well received, so thanks a lot for that. As I said, we've got 10 days left, we're funded. I can't wait to start shipping these. I'm gearing up for manufacturing. I'm pre-ordering a lot of parts that have a bit of lead time on, but nothing too stupid. But we're getting ready to start shipping these things, and I can't wait for you to start receiving them and building them. Finally, if you've got any other suggestions or there's anything you'd like to see in the future, do give me a shout. I try to respond to all the messages I've had. I've had some really good ideas for maybe a future version of this, or maybe an updated version with a few more sensors and more features, and it's great. I'm taking it on board, I am listening, and if I don't respond, I am at least reading everything. So sorry about that, I have got a lot on at the moment. But for now, thanks for watching this quick video. Thank you again for helping me get to this point in the project, and I'll see you in the next one.